And a very good day to all my viewers out there. It is Tuesday, June the 21st, 2022. Exactly 1:25 p.m. First day of summer, by the way. And we're here at the Place des Arts metro station where the newest entrance has opened up. Well, at least reopened. It's been closed for a couple of years now. This is at the corner, of course, of President Kennedy and Bleury Street. And you can see Place des Arts, the main building behind me. And this is my first time using this new reopened entranceway. And yeah, we're gonna go in and you're gonna get to see it at the same time I do. This freshly revamped, newly reopened entrance. So you can see why they did this. This is because there's, of course, a new building that's been built above this. You got some elevators here. Elevators are not working yet, by the way. The elevators are still being fixed. But I definitely like that ceiling design. Escalators, look at this. There's the escalator motors, if you're interested. These are new escalators that are being installed. And there's the view from the inside looking out. Very modern look. And we'll go down the stairs here. Yeah, so they're doing the finishing touches here. I'll definitely do another video once it opens up completely. Meaning once everything is completely reopened, the elevators, the escalators. We'll get a quick view here of the elevators on the side. And there you go, there's your ticket booth right there. And where will our elevators be? Well, they're going to be over here, right on the side. That's your elevators right there. Beautiful, beautiful design this. Not opened yet, still under construction. And they're pretty much finished. They're probably just going to do the finishing touches. But yeah, definitely will do a video here once it opens. Alright, just wanted to show my viewers that. And I might as well take you to the track level. And down here, this mezzanine level still, has it been reopened? No, it's not reopened yet. It's still closed off. Not sure what they're doing with the mezzanine. Oh, look at this. We got, oh, there's another elevator that's being installed over there. Look at that. There's a turnstile. And since we're going down to track level, and I do hear a train coming, might as well film it. Alright, have a good day everybody, and as always, more videos to come.